Introducing Spring Kitchen Decor, Farmhouse to Boho Chic Trends. Explore diverse styles for a fresh kitchen vibe. From rustic farmhouse flourishes to lively bohemian accents, discover ideas to brighten your culinary space for spring. Vintage vignettes. Mix antique and modern pieces for character. Distressed sideboards adorned with eclectic finds create historical yet fresh vignettes. Bright and airy. Muted green cabinetry and marble countertops offer a modern farmhouse feel. Sunlit windows and casual arrangements welcome the freshness of spring mornings. Floral fantasy. Celebrate spring with a fusion of bohemian and farmhouse charm. Hand-painted dishes and floral motifs turn everyday cooking into creative expression. Whimsical warmth. Playful boho patterns contrast rustic elements for a kitchen full of character. Bright accents add charm to the muted palette, creating a space that feels lived in and loved. Sleek and chic. Clean lines and bold accents define modern spring decor. Glass vases with vibrant arrangements bring sophistication and freshness to the sleek kitchen design. Zesty lemon accents. Add a twist of citrus to a modern kitchen with lemon wall decals. Minimalist crockery and rattan lampshades complete the contemporary look with a playful edge. Timeless elegance. Vintage silver and delicate china set the scene for classic spring charm. White tulips and heirloom pieces evoke vintage elegance and cherished memories. Embracing nature. Rustic wooden tables and stone vases bring the outdoors in. Blooming dogwood branches add a touch of spring to the earthy atmosphere of the kitchen. Bohemian Rhapsody. Mix patterns and textures for a free-spirited kitchen vibe. Macrame plant holders and potted herbs add a touch of wildness, embodying bohemian beauty. Spring's bounty. Antique scales and porcelain bunnies create a farmhouse vignette. Fog carrots and fresh tulips celebrate the season's abundance with rustic sweetness. Fresh farmhouse flourishes. Create a serene farmhouse kitchen with natural light and crisp white cabinetry. Vintage pitchers filled with fresh-cut flowers add nostalgic charm to the timeless decor. vintage charms and springtime delights. Vintage finds and pastel hues blend harmoniously for a whimsical kitchen ambience. Glass bottles filled with lilac and wildflowers evoke a sense of nostalgia and springtime joy. Lively Island Getaway. Transform the kitchen island into a vibrant spring display. Cascading blooms and fragrant herbs create a sensory retreat that captures the essence of spring's vitality. Citrus Zest. Infuse the kitchen with the joy of spring using zesty lemon prints and fresh citrus. Crisp white ceramics and a basket of real lemons add a playful yet refreshing touch to the culinary space. Handcrafted beauty. Incorporate artisanal canisters adorned with painted foliage for a touch of spring in the kitchen. Paired with striped linen tea towels, this blend of bohemian and rustic elements creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Window dressing with a twist of citrus. Bring the outdoors in with a window garland of vibrant lemon slices. Sheer curtains filter sunlight onto a windowsill arrangement, combining functionality with cheerful spring decor. Whether you're drawn to the simplicity of farmhouse style or the vibrant energy of boho chic, these spring kitchen decor ideas offer inspiration for transforming your culinary space. Embrace the spirit of the season and make your kitchen a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy decorating!